especially maybe if he has in his pocket a sachet, and he would just simply assume that he was killed by government. We do not do that actually. Pero kung sa malalaki, for example, and I'll be frank, yung sabi nila na big time, maliliit lang, you have failed to appreciate the drive of government. Mayors, Parahino, Espinosa, Mabilog is out of the country. He has not returned, and so with some councilors in the western side. Maraming yung nawala na dahil lumipat na yung pamilya. But you know, if you get the authority from government, from the judge, and take a look at the bank accounts, I cannot believe that you'd be earning 7 billion on money lending only. Yung mga ganon. The guy is dead, but in the course of the investigation, as president, sometimes nakikialam ako, I'd like to see the papers, the dossier, as they say. And yun, naman ko. Kung what's the momentum of the drug agencies.